Hello there, my name is Ismail, and today let's look at how to use group instancing in Blender. This is a quick tip that can improve your workflow or speed up your workflow. If you want to watch the entire process of creating this bathroom here, you can go to my second channel, Top Channel 101, and watch this video here. You can see everything I did here. But in this video, we're just going to be looking at using group instancing. To use group instancing, here is an example. If you want, say, to duplicate this Urano, you can, of course, select all the parts and then use Shift D to duplicate them wherever you want. Let me just make sure I'm using median point and move it, say, somewhere like there. But you can see now we have added a lot of other objects. So if you again, if you want to make another copy, you have to go through the process of selecting these objects that make up that Urano. Say this Urano was made up of 30 objects and you had to select one by one. It could take quite a lot of time. So group instancing lets you just manage your objects a little bit better. For example, again, you can use this Urano as our example. You can you can move this into a collection or a group by hitting M, new group. I'll just call it this. I think it's called the Rhino. And now after you do that, you can see now they're all in one collection. And if you use Shift A, you can see now we have collection instancing, and we have that group connected. And you can see now you can add it as its own object, and you can control it as an object, as a single object. And the great thing about this that duplicating this several times doesn't add to the computation of the scene. So it doesn't slow down your scene if you're just duplicating the group instancing. If you want to, let me just show you again. So Shift A, instance. You can see all the objects that are grouped are parented, kind of have their pivot point set to the origin. So if you want to have the pivot point centered at the object, you need to make sure that whatever you're duplicating or whatever your collection is, all the objects are moved to the pivot to the center of your scene. For example, if I want to have this as a collection group, I would have to move it to the center of the scene, and I can even turn off this because you don't want to have it in your scene. The original you don't want the original collection to be in your scene, so you can just turn it off like that, as well it is disabled, and just add it directly from the collection instancing. So now you can see that my pivot point is exactly where I want it. Now I can just add it there. It comes with all the materials and everything. I can duplicate this as many times as I want to make my bathroom scene. And it renders just perfectly. Just grab this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.